How to share screen on Microsoft Teams. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to share your screen on Microsoft Teams? Then you're in the right place. So, open up one of the meetings that you want to join. And then you can choose to turn off your mic and your video and then tap on join now. Now, on the top right, you'll see share option. Go ahead and tap on it. And there you see screen and window option. You can go ahead and tap on screen or window. Choose on what you want to share. You can open any file or any apps and then it will be shared to the people on a Microsoft Teams meeting. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.